Hello friends, today we have one another cup syrup. The name is bread cup extractor. This cup syrup is having one another chemical is a terbutaline sulfate, gumsin, bronzoxyl acid, methanol syrup. This is it's mainly manufactured by Lupin Pharmaceutical Mumbai. It's also 100 ml of bottle. Price is about 66 rupees. I will show you price. And manufacturing expiry is about 24 months. With it will provide one measuring cup or measuring cap will provide it. This is mainly used for the dry cup. Dry cup is without dry cup is without a mucus. It's called dry cup. It's a regular used medicine or syrup. Please consult your doctor before taking it. How to take? I suggest before taking it, don't drink water. After taking this syrup, don't drink water after 10 minutes. Because it not affect your throat. It will diluted by water, therefore it will not affect your throat. And all about this medicine is it have a menthol. Maybe it will give a cold effect to your throat. And Lupin Pharmaceutical is a very good brand. This medical having yet scheduled medical drug, therefore you need a prescription for it. Thank you all about this medicine. Thank you. If you like video, please subscribe our channel, share our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day, good day, keep healthy.